Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a cool tone smoky eye. I think I'm going to be using mostly the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. I'm going to try and use these three colors right here. And then I'm going to throw in, since I'm wearing a green shirt, this dark green color from the Rimmel, is it Rimmel? Yeah, Rimmel Magnified Jewel Rocks edition, but we'll see because I'm not sure yet. Anyways, let's get started. I'm going to start off with my Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eye Base. I'm just going to spread that around with my sponge. And then we're going to go in with this lightest color right here. It is called Fresh. And just set that base that I just put on. I don't know how this is going to turn out because I'm not really a cool tone girl. So let's go in with the gray right there. It's called Slate. And use that as our transition color. And I'm just going to put this in my crease and up higher. And because I'm not a very cool tone girl, I'm going to use a very light hand with it. Now I'm going to go in with the green color from the Jewel Tone palette. And I'm going to use this dark green matte right there. And I'm just going to add that. Starting in the outer V. See how it looks. Oh, I like the green. So we'll just pull that in. Hopefully when I put that Cyborg on, it doesn't just ruin the whole look. Now I'm going to take this fluffy brush and blend that in a little. Okay, now we're going to go in with the silver and see how it does. I'm going to go in with a flat brush and, oh, should I show you the silver? I did show it to you. It's this Cyborg right here. And hope it doesn't ruin the whole look. That's not bad, it's not too dark. There, that's not too bad. I thought it was going to go like super chrome, which I've done it in the past, not with this one, but with others. And I like put concealer underneath it, and then, or else I use Fix Plus with it, and it was so silver gray, and it was not a good look for me. This is not bad. I like it. Let's move on. We are going to now push line with our tattoo liner in black. In order to push line, you just put your little finger on your lid and push, and it will turn your eyelash up just a little so that you can draw between the lashes, just so there's no skin showing when you put your liner on. Now I'm going to take a flat brush. This is a Morphe 432, and I'm just going to smudge back and forth and move that liner around between the lashes so it gets everywhere. And I kind of pull it up a little bit so that my liquid liner that I put on matches up. There's no skin between it. Now I'm going to go in with my liquid liner. I'm going to use the Stila liquid liner today. If there's any in here, I don't even know. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera, do my lashes. I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. This is the final look for the day. When I went off camera, I added my Sills Lash Booster Primer to my lashes, and then my Laura Geller Lash Boss for my mascara. For my lips, I have on the BAREMINERALS Gen Nude in the color Everything. And that is it. That's all I did. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Share this on all of your social media. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!